OpenAI released Shap-E, the amazing 3D assets generator. AI powerhouse OpenAI is on a roll. After introducing the revolutionary ChatGPT and its subsequent version with enhanced capabilities, now the company seems to be gearing up to introduce its latest innovation. OpenAI's latest endeavor, Shap-E, is a model that allows you to generate 3D objects from text, not unlike how DALL-E can create 2D images. Imagine being able to create realistic 3D designs just by typing a description. It might sound like something from a sci-fi movie, but OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, is working on the technology as we speak. The rate of development also suggests that we might not have to wait too many years until this is our new reality. OpenAI's new model, Shap-E, is a game-changing technology that simplifies the process of creating 3D assets by generating them based on your words. No more struggling with complicated software, just type in a description and Shap-E will make a 3D model. As widely known, GPT-4 can generate responses the fastest and most efficiently from prompts in natural language. OpenAI has seemingly taken a leap forward and now introduced its text-to-3D model. Known as Shap-E, the model can turn text prompts into three-dimensional objects. Reportedly, the latest generative AI tool has been claimed to produce far more accurate responses compared to a similar tool, Pointy, that was introduced in 2022 by OpenAI. This is seen as yet another breakthrough from OpenAI after the success of its text-to-image generation tool, DALL-E. Now, first things first, what is Shap-E? The latest tool from OpenAI has been developed to generate fine-grained textures and complex shapes from text inputs. Shap-E is capable of creating outlines of objects and works on a feature known as neural radiance fields to deliver accurate responses. Interestingly, NeRFs are the technology employed in virtual and augmented reality to transform three-dimensional visuals into photorealistic environments. Reportedly, Shap-E applies NeRFs to common diffusion models to create the shape and also the texture of the object from text prompts. Compared to Pointy, the process is significantly faster with Shap-E. Shap-E is free on GitHub and runs locally on PCs. According to a report, setting up the tool and getting it to run is quite a mammoth task. Just like existing models, Shap-E comes with a lot of potential, but its output as of now is passable. According to the report, most outputs were low-res and key details were missing. Text inputs led to outputs that were either color-animated GIFs or monochrome PLY files that could be later opened in programs such as Paint 3D. If you are liking this video so far, then make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Now, back to the video. How Shap-E text to 3D looks. Like so many AI models we test these days, Shap-E is full of potential, but the current output is so-so at best. I tried the text-to-video with a few different prompts. In most cases, I got the objects I asked for, but they were very low-res and missing key details. The default prompt of a shark looked decent as an animated GIF, but when I opened the PLY file in Paint 3D, it seemed lacking. By default, the notebook gives you 4 animated GIFs that are 64 by 64, but I changed the code to up the resolution to 256 by 256 and output as a single GIF, especially since all 4 GIFs look the same. So what is the performance of Shap-E like? Whether I was doing text or image to 3D processing, Shap-E required a ton of system resources. On my home desktop, with an RTX 3080 GPU and a Ryzen 9 5900X CPU, it took about 5 minutes to complete a render. It took about 2 to 3 minutes on an Asus ROG Strix-Scar 18 with an RTX 4090 laptop GPU and an Intel Core i9-13980HX. The company has reportedly demonstrated the potential of Shap-E with examples of a bowl of food, a penguin, a campfire, etc. These 3D models were generated within seconds, offering users a faster way to create 3D assets. While more precise samples of 3D output from Shap-E are awaited, the tool is touted to be revolutionary in the domain of 3D modeling and rendering. And when it comes to application, Shap-E can be beneficial for movies, virtual reality experiences, engineering simulations, and most importantly, scientific research. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to watch more insightful videos, click on your screen now, and we'll see you there.